Alright, so the title says I got new wheels. So these are a Grand White colored in winning blue. Oh yeah, the sizes are 18 by 9.5 plus 22, which is a little bit too aggressive for my car, but we're just gonna make it fit. I've been looking for 18 for a while. I didn't really want a 9.5, but it's plus 22. I think that's a really good spec for these cars, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put them on and take some pictures and see if I like it or not. But yeah, super excited. And yeah, let's get right in.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you. If I told you just how I felt, but I can't help it. I'm falling for you, and I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through, 'cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you. But I'm still stuck on you. I'm still falling for you, for you.
Alright, so I installed it. So one of the rim has a small hairline crack and I have to get it welded and repaired. So I don't have the other side on, but this is kind of how it looks. I could honestly barely tell that it's blue. It looks kind of like black to me, so I don't know if I like it or not. I'm sure that if I adjust some fitment and getting different tires and getting the crack fix, and yeah, if I do all that, maybe it will look good. Definitely want to lower it a little bit more, and I think that would look pretty good. But yeah, I'm super satisfied with it. What do you guys think? Let me know, comment down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Some exciting things coming up for my channel, so yeah, follow my social media, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.